Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswazi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. King Mr. Zulu attended Ishaka Ilembe launch with his fiance uNomzamo Wakamiyeni after he called off their wedding last year. We know what uNomzamo and King Mr. Zulu were supposed to get married last year, but unfortunately they didn't, because bafade bebalwa kungiloko njena wakhipha statement lesijoko ukuthi uyapostpona ekumshadeni uNomzamo Wakamiyeni, but kuyakhombisa ukuthi umthanza kufa, because wenokuthi uDemfat Loyiwane uMrs Zulu, but udecide kuhamba naNomzamo Myeni ayedwa lapha kulonje Shaka Ilembe, and people said ukuthi ngazuthi khona khetha lokuthide kule ndoda wayehambe noMfat Loyiwane kube uDemfat Loyiwane. I think uNomzamo was 3, if I'm not mistaken. Do correct me if I'm mistaken. I stand to be corrected. Uhambe naNomzamo kuphela, so people are saying ukuthi wayehambe naNomzamo ashila labanye bafati wayengahambanga nabo bonke, since vele bonke bafati bakhe. If I invite with somewhere ngithi ukuthi ucamukane nabafati bakhe noma ngabayi-10 but bakhe labafati uhamba nabo, but yena uchoose kuhamba nabani naNomzamo. Lokwenta abantu babone ngathi uthanza Nomzamo and not the other wives. Said ukuthi kunomfati Loyiwane le wa-announce ukuthi yamdivorsa njani, but wangafuna ukusitshela ukuthi ngumuphi umfati lamdivorsako. So people are saying ukuthi it's giving uyakhetha wena, why uhambe nesincanakazane sakho kuphela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.